Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a simple document using LaTeX. Let me start by making an article here. So giving the document class as an article, you can put some options here for your article. I've chosen a font of 11 points, a two-sided article, and also A4 paper size for my article. After that, I can add a title to my document. So let me say my document's title. Then I can add the author's name, as you can see here, so \author. So I will write my name, for instance, and then I can also give the date. You can put whatever you want, so let's say October 10th, 2019. But you can also, if you want to use today's date, you can also use this. So \today will print out the today's date. After that, I will begin my document. You can see that automatically an end document was produced as well. So do not forget to end whatever you begin in LaTeX, otherwise you will get errors. So here I will type some text. Let's say here I can write my text. But before we make a PDF from our LaTeX, let me write something else, some other command here, which is make title. This make title will print out your title, author, and date on your document. Otherwise, you will not see them. So let us take a look at our PDF and see what we have. So here you can see the title, the name, today's date, and also your text here. If you want to comment out something, you can easily use the percentage sign here, and then you can see that this has been commented out. Okay, now we will see that we can have different structures in our document. So I can easily have a section here by using \section, and then the text will be shown here. So let's say this section is about books. I will give this section a label because I would like to refer to this section in future. The important thing is that you should remember which names or which labels you gave to different sections, because if you're using LaTeX for very long documents like your dissertation or your books, this will really make your job easier. So I will write some text about books here. Then I will use section for another one. So let's say the flowers, and then I will give it a label, section flower. Okay. Here in section, so let's say I have no idea what number LaTeX has given to my section because my document is very long and I don't know which number has the flowers section. I will only have to use the label here. Here in section flowers, I can also refer to section books. So this really makes your job easier. Let's take a look at this. So here I can write my text. This is the book section. I write some text here, and then the flowers section. Here in section 2, I can also refer to section 1. So I didn't have to know or remember which number each section had. I only had to remember the label, which is really easy because you give them names and you can refer to them very easily. Okay, let us add a subsection here. Let's say the sunflower, and then I would also like to give it a name. So here I have some of the text. Now that we have structure in our document, let me add a table of contents. So this is one of the advantages of Latex, that you don't have to worry about a table of contents either. So you just add this command here, you make a PDF from your Latex, and at the end you can see that a contents part has been produced in your document. So the book section was section 1, the flowers section was section 2. Let me change something here. Let me, for instance, put the sunflower subsection into the first section. So something happens, I would like to change this subject section and just change the place, put it in another section, but I don't have to worry about the numbering. I don't have to worry about where it goes in the contents, because automatically it will be produced. And this is one of the most important advantages of LaTeX in my idea, because when you're writing something long, this will make problems if you have to take care of it yourself. Okay, so here after the table of contents, I would like to go to next page and continue my writings in next page. So here in the first page, I will have my contents, my title and everything, and then on page 2 I will have different sections and my writings.